To fix the Shopify Favicon not showing issue, start by understanding what a favicon is. A favicon is a small icon that appears in the browser's address bar. Bookmarks and tabs, representing your brand identity. If your Shopify favicon is not showing, it can affect your store's professionalism and branding. First, ensure that you have uploaded a favicon to your Shopify store. Go to your Shopify admin panel, navigate to Online Store, and then click on Preferences. In the favicon section, click on the Upload Favicon button and select your favicon image. Make sure the image is in the correct format, such as a PNG or ICO file, and is the recommended size. Usually 16 by 16 pixels or 32 by 32 pixels. If you have already uploaded a favicon and it's still not showing, check if your theme supports favicons. Not all Shopify themes support favicons, so you may need to switch to a different theme or edit your current theme's code to add favicon support. Another common issue is that the favicon may not be showing due to caching. Clear your browser cache and try reloading your store's page. You can also try checking your store in a different browser to see if the favicon appears. If the issue persists, inspect your store's HTML code to ensure that the favicon link is present in the head section. You can use the browser's developer tools to inspect the code. Look for a line that starts with link rel equals icon and ensure that the href attribute points to the correct favicon image URL. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Shopify support or a developer for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide a solution to get your favicon showing correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Shopify favicon not showing, ensuring that your store's branding is consistent and professional.